So we're on the outer edge of a residential area. We didn't see any pushback from residents around the Ammann plant, but the government agencies were very, very strict around giving us the green light to build the plant.
The roadworks company came to Ammann looking for the latest in technologies, efficiencies and reliability.
We spent a bit of time in Europe visiting a number of plants, and from there we tailored some of the best features that we saw out of the different plants.
We worked together to formulate the best solution for their site, and through that process it was defined that the ABA UniBatch was the best fit for their business.
The plant here is really designed to optimise and minimise the use of energy and emissions. So the big focus is on sustainability.
On this particular site, the important options that were fitted to the plant were things like cladding to reduce noise, dust covers all over all of the transfer points,
and has a fuming system and a recycling of heat and emissions back through the plant, so that heat is not allowed to escape from the plant and is reused and reused and reused.
We also have a stack silencer on this particular plant, and all of this is in order to maintain the environmental aspects and the compliance rules for this local area.
Some of the modifications and engineering changes that we made in this plant really came together.
This UniBatch plant is fully equipped with the latest in technology.
The plant is really automated and controlled literally with a keyboard and a mouse pad.
It's the first time I've used the AS1, and I find that it's the best system I've used.
Some of these intelligent technologies are things like automatic loadout.
It's a lot easier way of loading. It's accurate to within 140 kilos.
We have EcoView, which is to monitor the energy consumption of the whole plant live online.
It monitors power consumption, fuel consumption, and will give me an update of what the plant is running at per tonne on a real-time basis.
We have the highest efficiency burner and all the low noise options that are possible for such a plant.
But we've also incorporated the spraying of the inner tub. First customer that touches the plant is the truck driver, and I guess at the end of the day it makes his life a little bit easier, and I guess when he compares our loadout facility with others offered by other suppliers, there's a noted difference.
As we see through the plant, everything is bolt-on, so we can bolt on all the safety aspects. The energy aspects can be as simple or as complex as it needs to be depending on the site.
The plant was very efficient. In fact, we had energy numbers that were given to us by Ammann, but right now we're ahead of the numbers that we were given. The support from the factory and from the engineering staff out of Switzerland has been first class. Again, one of the benefits of this plant is it's highly automated. We can get Switzerland to literally patch into this plant and basically train the operator to overcome whatever the obstacle is. There's no doubt that the commercial return for the company is improved. When we were using competitors' supply, what we hadn't really understood was that delay where the supplier was servicing themselves first and having the plant built has actually certainly improved the efficiency of the whole business.